immediately after that, both teams are going to pick up some green cubes. Immediately we're pushing some of these red cubes off the post for a ton of extra points. Both teams are trying to score some green cubes into each goal. As we get 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Daredevil Chickens trying to get some green cubes into their intake. Enter name here, trying to score some green cubes into the goal. You must have switched drivers. As we get the last 20 seconds of the match, Daredevil Chickens going to go for an attempt to score as many cubes into their goal as we can. With 10 seconds left in the match, we're going to see if any of these teams are going to go for a card. And it looks like Enter Name here successfully gets a card. With 3 seconds left, can Daredevil Chickens make it? Alright, next up, 12 gauge match 50, we have 177B, Boss, and 5.